सिल्वन ब्रँड आणि काजू फेस्ता भायर विस्तारित मार्केटिंग अशा नव्या उपक्रमांतल्यान गोयच्या काजू उद्योगाक घटमूट करपाची येवजण गोंय रान उदरगत महामंडळाची आसा अशें आमदार डॉक्टर देविया राणे हाणें सांगलां। ह्या क्षेत्रांत मोल वाडोवप आनी उदरगत घडोवन हाडपाक बेगीनूच काजू मंडळाची स्थापना करतले अशें तिणें मुखार म्हळां। RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान दत्ता मुरगांवकर।
Some more initiatives we're going to be launching at the festival. Some more things, Sylvan brand is going to be launching at the festival, which will be launched at the festival. You'll come to know that is going to be a value addition to the Cashew industry. That is the outcome of this last 3 seasons. And hopefully after this we will continue with the marketing and everything even after the festival is over, so that it is just not the festival just once a year. When the Cashew board gets constituted, I think that is going to really help the Cashew industry in a big way. That's what I feel.
Madam, where has been the delay as far as that Cashew board formation is concerned? Because almost 4.5 years over this term. So why there has been a delay for this Cashew board formation?
No, so this thing was put forward to the former late minister as well. But there are many certain policy decisions because it being a small state. Honorable Chief Minister had mentioned about it in a meeting last year. So I've been following up on them, and this year now he's the agriculture minister, and we're going to be speaking about it during the assembly too. And he has promised me that the Cashew board formation is going to happen very soon. So at least I have a feeling that whatever the act, new policy, whatever bills that needs to be introduced is going to happen very soon. And I think Goa Cashew board is going to be constituted. I'm positive about that.
मॅडम काजू हे प्रोडक्ट गावाकडे संबंधित म्हणून हो महोत्सव गावांनी पावपा जाय अशें तुमकां दिसना काय?
तो ऑलरेडी कित्याक आमचे पयचे आतां पोरू जे आमचे फार्मर्स आशिल्ले न्ही, आतां वी कॉल देम ऑन स्टेज. I felicitated our farmers from our plantations who have been with us for so many years. So we got them to town. All our farmers came and we felicitated them at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister, Forest Minister, Tourism Minister. So all of them came on board and we felicitated them.